Hi there, I'm Mrs. Sabrin, your phonics coach. Welcome to my channel Funics Reader. In the lesson 1A video, you learned that yes makes the sound is and A makes the sound ah. Then in the lesson 1B video, you learned that T makes the sound T and I makes the sound E. Now, in this video, you will learn two more sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, tell me, what is the boy doing in this picture? He is puffing out the candles. When you puff out the candles, you make the sound P, P. There's a letter that makes the sound P. Do you know which letter it is? It's the letter P. P makes the sound P. Look at this picture. What is it? It's an aeroplane. The aeroplane makes the sound mm. There's a letter that makes the sound just like an aeroplane. Do you know which letter it is? It's the letter N. N makes the sound mm. Now it's blending time. What is blending? Blending means joining sounds together to read a word. Let's try it. You have learned the sounds is, a, t, I, p, n. Now we are going to read a three-letter word. So let's blend three sounds. What is this sound? P. And what is this sound? A. Let's blend p, a, pa. And what is this sound? Shall we blend them? P, a, pa. Together it makes pan. Again, p, a, pa. Pan. Great job. You just read a three-letter word. Let's read another word. What is this sound? And what is this sound? Ah. Let's blend. Na. And what is this sound? P. Shall we blend them? Na. P. Nap. Again. Na. P. Nap. Great job. Let's read another word. What is this sound? Ah. And what is this sound? Let's blend. Ah, an. And what is this sound? T. Shall we blend them? Ah, an, t. Ant. Again. Ah, an, t. Ant. Great job. Now we are going to read a four-letter word. So let's blend four sounds. What is this sound? P. And what is this sound? Ah. Let's blend. P, a, pa. And what is this sound? Shall we blend them? P, a, pa. Pan. And what is this sound? T. Let's blend them together. P, a, pa. Pan. T. Pan. T. Pant. Again. P, A, pa, n, pan, t, pant. Great job! You just read a four-letter word. Now you know six sounds in group 1 is a, t, e, p, n. Keep practicing the sounds every day and try to blend and read the words. You are doing a great job. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.